subscribe to our channel.
11 ways to use banana peels. Stop wasting them. 1. Headaches. The high potassium content concentrated in the banana peel is a good remedy against common headaches. You can ingest it by means of infusion, or you can even place it on your forehead and the back of the neck to get a relaxing effect. 2. Warts. The white part of the peel is a wonderful solution for those unpleasant-looking warts that creep up on various parts of the body. These effects are not immediate, but by putting them in place every day with an adhesive bandage, you will solve your problem in just a matter of days. 3. Constipation. One of the keys to solving constipation and other digestive problems is to increase your consumption of fiber. Because banana peels contain more fiber than the banana itself, drink it in the form of a tea or add it to a smoothie to help improve your condition. 4. Acne. The compounds contained in the white part of banana peels are a good remedy for acne, pimples, and blackheads. Rub it on twice a day. The pimple will dry out more quickly, the inflammation on the skin will go down, and your pores will be less obstructed. 5. Whiter teeth. Even though it doesn't work like a professional dental whitening, rub the banana peel on your teeth to help reduce the yellow discoloration. Daily usage removes blemishes that stick to tooth enamel, and after several weeks, it will leave you with shinier teeth. 6. Insect bites. Rubbing a small piece of banana peel on your insect bites can reduce inflammation and itching. This is one of the oldest remedies out there for mosquito bites. 7. Bruises. The regenerative properties in banana peels are useful for speeding up wound and bruise healing. Consuming it as a tea helps improve blood circulation and also has a calming effect when applied topically. 8. Furniture polish. The backside of banana peels can be used to shine leather and wood furniture, cooking utensils, and other accessories that lose their shine because of dust. Simply rub it on for 3 minutes, then immediately shine with a clean cloth. 9. Banana peels to improve your mood. Banana peels have a concentrated, high amount of the essential amino acid known as tryptophan. This is related to an increase in the production of serotonin. Appropriate levels of this neurotransmitter allow us to be in a good mood, to be enthusiastic, and to experience well-being. 1 cup of banana peel tea is a good solution to stress and depressive states. 10. Shiny shoes. Banana peels can be used to shine dull or mistreated shoes. In this case, it has an effect similar to furniture. Just apply the peel and rub it off with a cloth. 11. Cardiovascular health. The phosphorus and potassium contained in banana peels are a great solution to high blood pressure and cholesterol levels. These essential minerals protect blood vessel health, improve circulation, and prevent bad cholesterol from oxidizing in the veins. Of course, they don't replace any prescribed medications to control these disorders, but regular consumption can be a great supplement for keeping levels where they should be. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.